Nitrile gloves have become a kitchen staple, but are they truly food safe? The answer is generally yes, but with crucial caveats. Nitrile, a synthetic rubber, offers superior puncture and chemical resistance compared to latex, making it a popular choice. However, not all nitrile gloves are created equal. For food handling, it's essential to select gloves explicitly labeled food safe or food grade. These designations indicate that the gloves have undergone testing to ensure they won't leach harmful chemicals into food. Powder-free nitrile gloves are also highly recommended, as powder can contaminate food and cause allergic reactions. The benefits of nitrile gloves for food prep are numerous. They eliminate latex allergy concerns, offer excellent durability, and provide a comfortable, form-fitting experience. Their tactile sensitivity allows for precise handling of ingredients, a critical factor in culinary tasks. However, proper usage is paramount. Regular glove changes, especially after handling raw meat or other potential contaminants, are crucial for maintaining hygiene. Avoid reusing gloves, as this can lead to cross-contamination. While nitrile gloves offer chemical resistance, they're not impervious to all substances. It's best to check the manufacturer's guidelines for specific chemical compatibility. In short, nitrile gloves, when chosen and used correctly, are a safe and reliable option for food handling. Always prioritize gloves with food-safe certifications and adhere to proper hygiene practices to ensure the safety and quality of your food.